Is Shiba Inu setting up for a massive Q4? With the crypto market starting to heat up again, are we going to see Shiba Inu hit some all-time highs very soon? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu currently sitting at 13 in terms of market cap at an $8.3 billion market cap, with its 24 volume over $250 million in the past 24 hours. This token is up nearly 5% on the day, on the week 6%, and on the month we're up a whopping 3%, making up for all the losses it faced earlier this month. A lot of things are excited, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu and why you need to buy some Shiba Inu, starting things off with their Twitter. But before we do that, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. We see in terms of what's happening in crypto today, bull market is trending at #1 for finance, as it looks like the bull market is getting closer and closer, and we go to Shiba Inu to get some news directly from the source. So breaking news, Shibarium daily transactions surged 70% from 4.52K to 7.7K in the past 24 hours. The TVL hits a $1.2 million, and the total addresses reach 1.816 million. Over 11.452 thousand tokens have been created on the Shibarium so far. Total top Shiba Inu ecosystem coins are bullish today, and we see some very bullish stats straight from the Shibarium, and that's causing the community to go absolutely berserk over Shiba Inu and Shibarium. We see from the Shib, Shibarium performance skyrockets, transaction fees up 1900%, transactions surging 150%. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is entering a new era of growth. Check out the data and a whole full news article indicating and showing us what's been going on behind the scenes for Shibarium. It's looking very, very bullish. Shibarium, the layer 2 network of Shiba Inu project, has emerged from its nascent stages from a dramatic surge in key performance indicators. The catalyst, the launch of K9 Finance, DAO, and decentralized finance protocol have ignited a frenzy and activity within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and no doubt this will help cause the price of Shiba Inu to surge as well. We see move for token 2024. It looks like they're at the conference, the blockchain futures conference. We're just going to leave this here. Hashtag Shib and the tag Shiba Inu as they brought Shiba Inu to the conference. Pretty cool. And from September 18th, the mint of the 42nd edition of the cover, read the article. Pretty bullish on Shiba Inu's end. Now we take a look at the technical analysis to get the full picture. Oscillars are sitting at neutral, however, moving averages are sitting at buy. Give us a total summary for buy for this project. Shiba Inu is starting to look more and more bullish as the days come, especially with Binance recently listing 3 massive meme coins. We're anticipating the meme coin rush to start going crazy. Shiba Inu burn rate skyrockets 14,000%. Shib army eyes massive zero drop incoming very soon, and a whole article indicating to this. Now, guys, if you've been an early investor in Shiba Inu and early investor in meme coins alike, you're gonna absolutely love this project I want to showcase in today's video, and that is Pepe Unchained. Pepe now has his own blockchain, and congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out on your rewards, and they're offering a massive 149% AAP, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. Now, this project has raised already $14 million in the pre-sale alone, and the pre-sale is not ended just yet. We're anticipating this project to see some massive growth when it gets listed live. So, Pepe Unchained, the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. Pepe token powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new golden era of meme coins with Pepe in his rightful place as king, and Pepe Unchained his kingdom. Now, it's going to be absolutely massive, especially with the meme coins market heating up. Shiba Inu, dogecoin, Pepe, all pumping. Are anticipating this token to go absolutely insane. So you want to buy some Pepe Unchained, I'm going to link it in the description below. Some real 100x gains there. But back to Shiba Inu, it's been taking over the news. We can see a ton of articles. Key Shibarium indicator scores by 70% for the Shiba Inu price flashes green. Shiba Inu unleashes powerful staking, 50x LVT surge. Shiba Inu holders age rival coin, good coin for 100x gains in September. Bitcoin's pumping, causes the overall market pump. Shiba Inu price unlikely to hit 0.01 cent, says expert. Now, this might be a higher price target, but we're definitely going to see some bullish ahead for Shiba Inu. 604 billion Shiba Inu in the past 24 hours. How did Shib fall off? Shiba Inu price prediction can hit 0.0002 cents this weekend. Shiba Inu is pumping. And now, Shiba Inu is not the only coin pumping right now. we go into the coin market and we see that the top meme coins right now, we see a lot of pumping green for most meme coins across the board. But if you're looking, most meme coins are pumping upwards of 5%, Popcat up 30%, Flowkip 8%, Dogwolf up 12%, Pepe almost up 10%. However, Shiba Inu only up 6% on the week, meaning gains for Shiba Inu could be coming later in the week. So you just have to stay tuned for that. I'm very bullish on what's going on in the meme coin market, guys, especially now with more meme coins being added to Binance listing. We can anticipate a very bullish future ahead for the meme coin market. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now, let me know in the comments section below. Are you bullish for Pepe? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.